Hey guys, and thank you for watching the Farming Pastor's Wife. We are at a pastor's conference. Hang on, there's one of our buddies. That was our former district superintendent. We are at a pastor's conference, and there will not be any cooking videos for the next couple of days, but we are at Liberty University at the Refuel Conference, getting our cups filled with Jesus. So y'all stay tuned. When we get back, we're going to make some fair food because it's state fair season. So y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.